Alrighty. Well, that was a little uplifting. Man, nose gear is very effective on this. Sheesh.
China cleared.
Alright, just me. Cool. Let's go.
Gear up.
I think it likes that battery.
How is it?
Way better. You see that climb? Right after takeoff? I noticed that too. Yep, around the sun. Alright, let's get a high-speed pass into the wind. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that.
It likes that pack.
Yeah, it's ripping. Do you put it in the same spot?
6200. It's the same as, oh wow, yeah, look at that. Holy crap. Batteries make a huge difference in this on this fan. Holy crap, yeah, okay.
Twice as fast as the last one.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Just a tired pack, I guess.
That's much better vertical.
Yep. Got to be careful on landing. It might be a little lighter.
Get the power up. Fine.
Oh yeah, listen to it. That's way better. I didn't realize the batteries were sagging that much.
Time remaining 1 minute.
You gonna land it on time?
Yep. I know it'll be early, but I'm still going to do it anyway. Just to be safe. Somebody's was golfing out here last week.
That's the one I flew?
No, different pack. I've got
30
two.
seconds.
Alright.
Gear down.
All of them are down.
Oh, why does it wiggle so much?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired. Landing flaps. Braking.
Beautiful.
There we go. Alright.
Flaps up.
I always get so scared flying this plane. And for what? Just it wiggles a lot on that when it slows down.
It might just
Release.
test its weather.
Braking.
I like the sound it makes with the brakes out.
Release.
Here.
Braking.
Yeah.
Release. Braking. Release. Braking. Release. Braking. Release. Braking. Release. Braking. Release. Braking. Release. Release. Release.
broke the motor mount on that night.